catch his food and then loses half of it. But crocodiles can go days, weeks, months and years without eating. Alright? Well, anyway, back to the chiropractor tonight. Yeah, so food is a big secondary to a crocodile. Now, here we go. I used to do, I'll get a head squeeze. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, that's how a crocodile breaks his food apart, is that flicking motion. Now guys, that also gives us the myth of a crocodile storing his food. How many people have heard that? They will grab you, take you away, stick you under a log, and come back in a couple of weeks later when you're nice and rotten, and then eat you. We heard that one? How many reckon that's true?
Right, I got you. Hello Christopher John, what are you doing in Port Douglas? Did you have a lovely dinner? Did you enjoy your pizza? Alright, and I'll stay there and I can scan around to the mountain and the scenery. Alright, and then I'll put it off. Are there more cars behind us? No, but coming onto the ferry.
Oh, I see what you mean. Well, it was already here, so there's only one ferry. I'm sure we've got a picture of us crossing the ferry somewhere. Possibly even a movie of it. Final look at Cape Tribulation before we go home. I was just saying, final look at Cape Tribulation before we go home, relaxing. Oh, did you get bitten, did you?
No, he just flew past.
Yeah, he's flying past me now too.
We're now going across a creek. Only there's no water, and it's what's the name of the track? Bloomfield Track. It's testing out the four-wheel drive. Oh, there we go. Safe and sound on the other side. And there's the driver there. Oh, so what do you want to do? Go through?
Do you want to keep going?
Yeah, alright then. Crocodiles, bumpy rocks. Being christened. Oh, there's a car and a dog.
Yes.
Okay. Here's another creek at Wodgel Wodgel. Put your window down. There we go. There's the river and the driver and some more rocks. Oh, bumpity bumpity bump. Coming into Wodgel Wodgel, that's the interpretive centre. And arrow to Cooktown. And we're under a tree looking at somebody parking in the...
Ferry waiting to... I had it on the wrong setting. Waiting to be eaten by a crocodile. at the Bloomfield Falls up off the Bloomfield Track, which is a very bumpy, twisty, windy, creaky, hilly four-wheel drive track through the Daintree Rainforest. Standing by the Little Annan River up on Cape York, just south of Cooktown.
Just for us.
Cooktown. It's quite a pleasant place at the time of year, I suppose.
following the boat.
Just see him under the water
Yeah,
and then
yeah.